Namaskar and welcome back to Simplify Your Space. Dealing with power outages can be frustrating and slow down our daily tasks. If you are tired of this challenge, let me introduce you to the V-Guard Inverter Synergy Smart 1150 with Smart Wi-Fi Connect. This is a modern power backup solution that gives you control and convenience. Today's video is powered by V-Guard. Now let's check out this smart inverter. This inverter is compact and stylish, fitting nicely in any part of your home. It is an inverter that operates with just one battery and can handle a load of up to 750 watts or 950 VA. It is designed to work with a 12 volts battery with the capacity range between 80 Ah to 230 Ah tubular or flat plate batteries. Now let's see what sets it apart from other inverters in the market. You can control this inverter using the VGuard Smart App, which is accessible through both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. With this app, you can easily keep track of your inverter and battery functions. It offers helpful notifications such as reminders to top up battery water. If you encounter any issues, you can also directly request service through the app. Plus, it is compatible with Alexa and Google Home, so you have even more options for managing it. You can switch to the heavy appliance mode on the VGuard Smart App and can power high-intensity appliances such as electric irons, grinders, hair dryers, and more during power cuts for up to 15 minutes. It's a game changer when you need that extra boost. Another crucial and extremely useful feature of this inverter is the holiday mode. This feature comes in handy especially for those going on vacation. Instead of completely turning off your home's power, this holiday mode enables the inverter battery to function at a lower voltage. This maintains the battery's health and functionality while also preventing any potential damage that can occur from excessive draining. You can customize the power output of your inverter using the performance tracker on the VGuard Smart App with the long backup mode, with which you can run appliances with longer backup or handle heavy loads based on your specific requirements. One of the standout and essential feature of this VGuard inverter is its solar hybrid capability. This means it can be charged using both grid power and solar power. This feature lets you harness renewable energy, promoting an environmentally sustainable power supply. It utilizes sine wave technology, delivering a smooth and stable power output for your sensitive devices. Now let's see the warranty part. With a 3 years warranty, you can trust in the reliability and durability of the VGuard inverter. The widespread VGuard Service Center network ensures easy access to service technicians. Registering the product via the app brings the V-Guard service team to your doorstep within hours for a convenient demonstration and installation. This V-Guard Synergy Smart Inverter offers an impressive up to 40% increase in battery backup when paired with V-Guard's VT165S battery. When used together, this setup is suitable for both small homes and offices. That's all about this video. To eliminate the frustration of frequent power outages and maintain smoother routines, consider V-Guard Inverter. If you are interested in learning more about the V-Guard Smart Synergy 1150 inverter and VT165S battery, or if you would like to explore other options, feel free to visit the nearby V-Guard store or their website. You can find the link of the website in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.